and welcome to another Thai Takeover. I'm here at Dr. Shepherd's house. She is a mom, a doctor, super busy. So let's go see how we can tie things up.
Everybody get up.
What's going on? Hello?
Hi, you're not Dr. Shepherd.
I am not Marvin. I'm Dr. Shepherd's husband.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What are we here to cook?
I'm here to cook.
Well, let's go. Well, do we have to wait for her to get home? She's not here right now.
We don't.
Oh, well, let's go.
Yay!
All right. So come on in. This is the kitchen. Welcome.
Beautiful.
Yes. Here's the refrigerator.
Yay!
I'll open. There you are. Look at there.
Look at that.
My
Ooh.
goodness.
What do you normally eat?
Ooh, whatever's prepared or Chick-fil-A.
No!
A little bit of any and everything. I like meat dishes, veggie dishes. We try to eat healthy to a certain degree, vegetables,
I
fruits.
can see that. Very healthy.
A little bit.
Okay.
But what do you think's in there? What's workable? What can we?
I mean, I love fresh veggies, some bells, some onions. I mean, these are all flavor. Do you normally cook with sausage?
Sausage.
Sausage
Mostly
sounds
turkey
good.
sausages, but turkey,
sausage.
fruits, vegetables, pastas, rice dishes.
Flavor.
The doctor is of Jamaican descent, so we have a lot of
Jamaican flavors. Where are you from?
Texas. So I'm good with barbecue,
Okay.
grilled meats.
Sausage.
And breakfast is a big component of that. Eggs, grits, and that whole nine.
Let's get cooking.
All right. Was this all in the refrigerator?
This was all in the refrigerator. Yes, I found that in the pantry.
Okay.
It's a vermicelli noodle, rice, made of rice, gluten-free. And what I did while I was prepping all of this was I threw it in some hot water, and that's it.
It looks
It's
like
pretty cool.
angel hair. I like
Isn't
it's
it?
very
It's like
fine.
white angel hair,
yeah.
and it's already edible.
Very
Doesn't
nice.
taste like anything.
No, not really.
Does it taste like rice?
Not really.
We're just gonna add a lot of flavor to that.
Very good.
I am going to make a noodle stir-fry dish with some of these sausage that I found in the fridge. You like spice?
I do like spicy.
Okay, I found some.
I have my dad is from outside New Orleans, or his family, so they're Cajun Creoles.
Okay, well that sausage ties in pretty well then.
It does.
Is it normally turkey sausage?
It is not. We're talking about southern Texas, Louisiana.
Right.
You're talking about pork, beef, chicken,
yes.
crawfish,
Very
shrimp,
true.
lobster.
Where does the love for food come for you?
I come from flavors. I did a lot of traveling. Traveling, is that the right word? I did a lot of traveling. That's my Texas coming out.
I
did a
love
lot
it.
of traveling, and so I like different cuisines and tasting different foods. So, and we used to live in Chicago, so you had all the little pockets of different cultural
Yes.
centers. You know, Greek town and German town and Polish and Chinatown and Puerto Rican village and all that. So,
I'm gonna have you
oh
slice
my,
those.
this is dangerous.
gonna
Do I
be
need
dangerous.
to?
Would
should
you
we
like-
I'm in the construction industry, so should we fill out like a task analysis?
Do I need to?
Possibly. Do I need gloves? Okay, let's go. No, I can use this one. It's a smaller one better. These are nice.
They're easy.
Long way. Chop.
If you were thinking of a dish that was from New Orleans,
Okay.
how would the sausage look like?
They're just kind of diced up, not super fine dice, just like circles in half.
Perfect.
So just
Go.
start.
We're gonna use it all because we got a
Okay.
lot of noodles. I'm gonna cut the veggies.
How do I make that sound? Is that a sound like?
That would probably have to come from if you want to maybe.
Oh no, I don't. Just with this,
Do
I'll
this.
just do regular. Okay. I'll just go slow.
So I don't know you at all. How'd you meet Dr. Shepherd?
That's a long story. Quick answer, met in college. She was walking across, we call it the yard. We were at the University of Oklahoma. We call it the yard where everybody kind of met up. And I saw her, she was walking, and I was like, oh, look, she's an attractive woman. Let me go over there and give her my
is.
best freshman year pickup line.
Freshman year.
Was it my freshman year? Maybe it'd been her freshman
Like
year.
at the beginning.
I know, this is early on, and I was like, oh, hello. And she just kept walking. Anyway, sophomore, by junior year, we got a response, and kind of the rest is
No
history.
joke.
No, it was a while. It took a while.
I'm hungry.
No,
Ooh.
no, see, I mean, I'm super dicing these. Let's go.
I think we're good.
It's gonna be.
However
there we
you
go.
feel. There, you're getting your satisfaction. Done.
Very nice.
While you did that, I
That's
did
funny. I
this.
just compliment my own cutting. Go
You
ahead.
should.
Very
It
nice.
looks amazing.
Thank you.
Yes. I think we're ready to cook. Okay, we have everything prepped and ready to go. Look at your beautiful.
Look at that diced up sausage.
And I just keep eating it.
No worries.
It didn't even taste like turkey though, which
It
is so
doesn't-
interesting.
I haven't tasted it.
You
Let's see.
haven't? I've like
I
ate
haven't,
10
no.
already.
It doesn't taste like turkey.
Right? So how would you normally cook this, the turkey? Or how do you normally eat it? Sausage in general.
Grill, Texas native, it'd be on the grill.
You just grill all the time. We're gonna fry the sausage today.
Okay.
I
Different
feel
approach.
different approach. I wanted to add a little bit more texture and crunch. It's very soft.
Okay.
And then we're gonna throw this yummy
What is
spice.
left of it, but yep.
I keep eating it. So sorry.
Okay. Are you a native of Texas? No? You're not a Texas person?
I am. I'm half Thai, half Texan.
Okay.
So we are family in a way.
Thai, that's pretty cool.
Thai Texan.
I went to Thai. Where's the Bangkok?
Yes.
I went to Bangkok and what's another city? What's the other major city?
Phuket, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Pattaya, Layong. Okay, that was way too many.
It was off the.
Oh yeah, we're ready. I'm now gonna.
We're ready to go.
Yeah. I was waiting for the oil to get hot. Now you can play even more.
I can move it around.
Yeah, move it around. So in Thailand, there's 72 or 73, somebody's gonna correct me, provinces in Thailand. Oh, it's 76.
Now it's 76.
When I
Oh,
was
way
there,
up. They
it
added
was
some
72.
since you've been there last.
They do. They start cutting them up and adding.
I can't remember, but it was a great time. We were doing a whole Asian run, so we did Bangkok, Singapore, Shanghai, Hong Kong.
Ooh.
And one more.
How long were you gone for?
We always took weird long trips
Who's
around my travel buddies from college. The oil and it's kind of self.
Let's do it.
It's kind of doing
I
itself.
like my.
Oh, look.
I like mine crunch.
Okay.
Not crunch, but kind of burnt a little bit.
And I agree with you. So then that's how I prefer it when I put it on the grill, a little char on it.
And it's totally
crisp.
popping at me. I'm like,
I
I'm
know,
gonna turn
it's
this
coming at
way.
you.
Because the juices are coming out of
And it's
the
starting to pop a little
sausage.
bit.
This is actually a street food variation of what I grew up with. They have, the sen mee pat. And then we had sausage, so we're gonna do a sen mee pat.
Okay.
Sai Krok. Sai Krok means sausage in Thai.
Okay.
Sai means intestine.
Yes.
And Krok means to put something in. So that's what sausage, it's a casing of, intestine.
Maybe we should make a vegetarian meal.
Yeah, right? That doesn't sound so good anymore, does it?
No, that's all right. I do.
Oh, but yeah, that's the straight translation of it. Next step. Now we're gonna add this.
Now,
Be careful.
Do I just slap it in
I'm
there?
gonna have
What's the
you
official
use
process?
here.
Like
You're gonna
a forward scoop?
just go this way
Just
in.
down, okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, nice.
So those are serranos, and we got some garlic.
Oh, just move it around on top of it. Just let it sit there.
Let it crisp up and mold into that oil.
Mold and crisp.
I'm now gonna add
we're just doing extra stuff.
eggs,
Okay.
more
Do I mess with it?
protein.
Do
You're
I-
fine. Yes, I want you to.
I'm cooking with my hand in my pocket. I'm a really cool cook.
I love it. I
Do what?
noticed that. Scramble. You're gonna scramble the egg. Thank you.
I like the colors, the sights. Oh, like that just looks tasty. Look at the colors.
I love it. Are you ready for more colors?
Oh, yes.
Now we're gonna add white.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna add some green.
Green.
We're gonna add some red.
They're not officially foods. These are just colors.
I like just standing here and watching you stir
This is
these.
sensory overload.
Sensory overload.
It's like having 2 iPads on 2 different YouTube channels at one time. I'm just
Do you do that?
my kids.
Right?
Oh my God, yeah. Things are happening.
More.
More snow.
Now we're
This is the AO. What is it called?
The noodles.
No, what type of?
Vermicelli, angel
Vermicelli.
hair, or sen mee.
All those are in here. It's a 3 pasta dish. Now, am I
The
still
names
stirring?
you're still stirring. Okay, I now have a new tool for you. I went into your pantry and I found these. Which one do you want to use?
You're finding food and utensils. I don't know what either of those are.
It's gonna make your life a lot easier when you're tossing around noodles.
Felt the carpal tunnel
maybe
setting
those.
in
And
with
if
all
I'm
that
over
stirring.
here, I can just be further away.
Those are long.
I'm gonna take this one now. How you feeling?
I got it. You got to get under it and flip it. Oh, look, we're adding yet a
We're adding some
16th
sauce.
ingredient.
The 16th ingredient.
What is this?
This is our stir fry sauce.
Oh, okay, nice.
I'm ready to taste.
Now it's our official tasting process.
Yes, this is for you.
Oh, okay.
I guess sausage just makes everything taste better, right? We are from Texas. What do you think? Anything else?
That's delicious.
That's good, isn't it?
When I go out and eat, they'll say like a Singapore street noodle. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But far more tasty.
So the Singapore street noodle, I guess
Tastier.
one of the main difference is they would put turmeric or a curry powder.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
It does remind me of that because this noodle is so.
Yeah, that's what the noodle reminds me more so than.
Exactly. I really had a great time with you, by the
I
way.
appreciate you stopping by and putting this extra meal before Dr.
Extra meal.
I know you came for Dr. Shepherd and I'm all here.
I
is
think it
awesome.
was meant to be.
It is.
Is it spicy enough for you?
It's
gonna
got
ask
a little
some more.
spice, but it's not too spicy.
Not too spicy?
And
We're
it's
gonna-
delicious. Delicious.
What's going on
What?
here?
Where did you
Hey!
come from?
Well, I guess
How
we
come
need.
I wasn't invited?
Well, you were kind of late to the party, and we just got really hungry. I
Well,
guess we're
it
gonna have to
looks
cook
good.
with you now.
Well, it was mostly my idea to put the angel stuff and then you put the.
Yeah, he did it all. He did
You
all
did
the
this
work.
all?
Yes.
This is a first.
Oh.
I'm so excited.
Here's
Well,
a
I
pro.
think that I need to do one of these.
Well, guys, it looks like we're gonna have to do another episode. So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this dish. How did Marvin do? Until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ You just can't stop eating. So good.
I always enjoyed Thai food. I always enjoyed cooking. I enjoyed eating for sure. So the combination of all three was actually pretty enjoyable. The speed at which you could prepare a meal, that was something new. Like the combination of all the seasoning ingredients of the meat, and it happened pretty much like that. And we were eating. I'm not a big fan of bell peppers, but with the combination of everything, I may become like a slight fan if we cook this particular meal. I got some single friends. I definitely suggest this. I would definitely recommend it.